Been one of the most in-demand beauty devices we have offered on QVC. And I'll give you a little bit of a backstory. In March, we debuted the Conture anti-aging skin toning system for the face and neck. When I say to you face and neck, that is part of the breakthrough, because for a single device to be able to treat both the face and neck for anti-aging was huge. So in that March debut, the item was extremely popular, and many of you went to QVC.com looking for the Conture device. And so we brought it back. And again, it was so extremely popular. And you went back to QVC.com looking for the device. We knew that because the demand was so great, we had to bring it as a Today's Special Value. Welcome, everybody. It is a brand new day, and let me start by showing you exactly what we put together, because there really are three reasons this has been so in demand. First, because it is a single device that will address the signs of aging for both the face and the neck. Two, it's non-invasive, meaning this is going to be something that doesn't hurt, and it is good for all skin tones and all skin types. And then I want you to take a look at that Today's Special Value price on the screen, because in the world of anti-aging beauty devices, this is probably one of the most affordable things you can do. So, if you're ready to take your beauty routine, your anti-aging beauty routine to the next level, let me introduce you to the Conture Anti-Aging Skin Toning System for the face and the neck. You're going to get the device. You're also going to get the standard treatment head. It'll come with a focused treatment head, because you're going to be able to do all of the areas of the face. It's going to come with your AM lotion, your PM lotion, and then your Kinetic Serum. Now, all of this, I want to put it on the screen. If you bought it separately, and this is why I say in the world of anti-aging beauty devices, where, let's face it, devices that work can cost upward of $400. This system would cost $371 if you bought everything separately. Just the Conture device system alone is $299. That focused treatment head for those delicate areas, that's an additional $27. And your AM and PM creams, that's $45. That's a $371 value. When I say to you, this has been one of the most in-demand devices that we have offered, and we just debuted it in March, and people are clamoring for it. Our Today's Special Value price is $149.90, and we put it on 5 easy monthly payments. Now, one other quick thing. You've got a 90-day opportunity to get this home and see the difference. I showed you that neck right at the beginning. Imagine, because that's 8 weeks later, from the 4th of July to Labor Day, your skin, your face, your neck looks more youthful. And if you're one of the people who was able to get this, I'd love for you to call me, 1-800-395-1601. Let me introduce you to the lady who's here to tell us all about it. She is a board-certified dermatologist. She is a professor with the Metropolitan Hospital in Manhattan. She is also director of derm surgery at the New York Medical College, and frankly, she has a patient list that includes many of the faces that you and I know and love from our favorite television and movie programs. This is Dr. Dendi Engelman. Dr. Dendi, welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, it's great to see you.
So glad to be here.
So it's been a busy 3 months for you.
So it's been really busy. I mean, we were so shocked. I mean, of course, I love this device, and my patients do, but to see the turnaround and the demand in just 3 months has been super exciting.
So I showed that image of the neck at the very beginning, and it was dramatic in just 8 weeks.
Yes.
But let's start at the beginning, if we can, with what is this device?
Yes. So let's talk about that. So this is like a gym for the skin, and that's how I explain it to my patients, because we all know that working out is great for our body, but why aren't we working out our skin? And so what this device does is lifts the skin up and puts it right back down, and we do that in numerous pulses, about 5 on the face, and then you move. And it doesn't hurt, it doesn't break the skin, there's no pain associated, it's easy, you can sit and watch QVC and do it. I keep it at my coffee table, and I do it while we're watching the news at night. Just march it across the face. In 5 minutes, you've got your whole treatment. And so it's really amazing. Fine lines and wrinkles disappear. Radiance is improved. Pore size is improved. Yes, exactly. You're just seeing.
And it's, I mean, it really is. It's non-invasive. It doesn't hurt. You can see what it's basically doing is lifting. It's like a gentle suction.
Yes.
It's lifting and releasing the skin.
That's right.
Wow.
That's right.
Can we show some of the before and afters?
Let's get to those, because I think those are so compelling. And that's what sold me on this device when I first saw it.
All right, we're gonna put this up.
Yes.
So talk to me about what I'm seeing.
Okay, so in this patient, you can see right under the eye the improvement in the crepiness, fine lines and wrinkles. Even the darkness right under the eye is really improved. The whole skin quality looks so much better in this patient, and this is just in 2 months, Leah. And I will tell you, when I do studies for the FDA in my office, we don't even take an after picture until 12 weeks because we don't expect to see differences like this. This is in 2 weeks.
Wow.
And so my patients have been blown away. I've truly been blown away by the before and afters and what they're experiencing in a non-invasive, non-painful, easy at-home device.
Yeah.
And so a lot of times, and you see in this before and after, the fine lines, the vertical lines, whether you're around the lip, you know where you put your lipstick in and it bleeds
Starts
a little
to
bit
feather,
and it
yeah.
feathers. If you're a straw drinker, heaven forbid, if you're a smoker, you know, these things happen over time. And so those are really tough, even in my office with all the neurotoxins and the fillers and the lasers I have. It's something invasive I have to do to correct it.
Right.
But here with Contour, you see in a very smoothing way, without any invasion, you've got correction of those vertical lip lines, which are really tough to correct.
I mean, it is dramatic looking at look at her the area around her lips. In 8 weeks, it looks smoother, it looks younger, and that really is what the Contour device is. That's why it's been so extremely popular.
Yes.
All right. Talk to me about the neck area.
So
here.
you hit the nail on the head when you talked about, you led with the neck, and I'll tell you that is one of the toughest areas on the face and or on the head, on the body to correct, because we are all prone to the thinness of the skin. It shows signs of aging. And we talk about tech neck. We're always looking down at our phones or our iPads, and you get these horizontal lines that you have to either put filler into or really beat the skin up with invasive lasers in order to improve the quality of skin. And look at her neck. You can see laterally where those lines are basically disappearing after 8 weeks, and even the whole angle of her neck is improved, and that is with nothing, no surgery, and just an at-home device. And so I've been really so pleased in this area in particular, because the thinner the skin, the harder it is to repair. But here we've got a beautiful result in just 2 months.
I have to tell you. So think about it. By the time you get this, it's just about the 4th of July. Imagine by Labor Day seeing that kind of dramatic difference in your neck, in your face, in your lips, all of those areas that show the signs of aging.
Yes.
And if you're ready, because so many people are doing exactly what you should when it comes to the topical skincare that you use. But if you're ready to go to the next level, that's why devices are so helpful. But for a lot of us, devices were out of reach in terms of price. And also, this does not just the face, but the neck as well. And that is something that has been a breakthrough in the whole beauty industry, and certainly when it comes to beauty devices. So can we talk about targeted areas and where this is going to work? And then we're going to show you how you use it.
So I have patients who want to look globally improved, and you can see, we're going to give a schematic of the areas, the zones where we can. Whether it's the 11s, our frown lines from where we're creasing our forehead, where we're concentrating, or the smile lines, overall pore size. That is one of the hardest things to correct. My patients always say, how do I change the appearance of my pores? It's really difficult, and I'm going to show you some before and afters in a minute about the improvement. Here you can see how the device works to pull the skin in and then gently release it right where it was. Just like you're lifting weights at the gym, the Contour device is lifting your skin and toning it. And you can see massive improvement in a very gentle, non-invasive way that's comfortable. I have a little one-year-old boy. We call it baby kisses. Feels very comfortable. Patients are a little nervous. The one thing that they don't want to do is buy a device that's going to hurt.
Right.
You don't want to be home after work, a long day, and go and torture yourself with something.
In March, we brought the Contour skin toning device, anti-aging skin toning device, to QVC. And the very first time that you were on the air, it was wildly popular. And then what we realized, because we know what people are shopping for on QVC.com. And this was so in demand. People were searching for this device. There was a lot of buzz about it, featured on the Today Show, Refinery 29. And so you were looking for it. And so Dr. Dendy was back.
Yes.
And once again, that was in April. It was extremely popular. And you went looking for it on QVC.com again. We knew this had to be a Today Special value. And so that's what we're bringing you. And everything you're getting, the value would be $371. Today, it's less than $150. And it's on Easy Pay. You simply let us know. And by the way, if you're interested in the auto delivery and being able to continue to receive the replacement treatment heads, ask about that, because that is available for you as well, and then it's just one less thing you have to think about. Can we take a look here? Because when we talk about all of the areas that this is going to address, face and neck, to see the before and afters,
Yes.
that's dramatic.
So you and I touched on pore size, and I have to tell you that my patients always come in complaining about this. And so look, this is before, and we call this peau d'orange, which is just French for orange peel, and it looks like orange peel appearance.
Yeah.
This is a before. Look at this after, the smoothness, the texture, and how much improved the overall quality of the skin is. But another place I want to draw your eye is look right underneath this patient's eye. See here, the darkness and the crepiness? Look at that. I mean, I will tell you that that is really tough to do without breaking the skin. And I did a fellowship in laser medicines. I know every device on the planet. We own tons of them. You can't walk into my office and talk to me for less than $400.
Really?
So think of the value of this.
And I would imagine, and that's not just one visit.
No, that's right. That's right.
This is something that you now have and you own and you use in the comfort of your own home.
Yeah.
So that was the cheek area.
That was the cheek.
Yeah.
Here we have the infraorbital region. These, you know, people will talk about, I've got bags under my eyes.
Right.
I've got this, I look tired all the time. And this is because this fat pad underneath the eye has just herniated or pushed out. And so what happens is, in 8 weeks, look at that. Push back down where it was supposed to be. Look at the quality of skin. The crow's feet region even looks better. So it's really impressive. Without hurting, you can get significant improvement.
And that's a person who's going to be more confident. That's a person who's going to feel better about themselves. And I'll tell you, if you're ready to go to the next level, you're doing all the right things with your topical skincare, there are certain things that devices can do that topical skincare simply can't.
Right.
And when we look at these images, wow.
Right. And I love that you keep bringing up, say you have your perfect serum that you love and it's your workhorse and you don't want to let that go. Contour has been clinically proven to enhance the absorption of the products you're already using by 300%.
Wow.
So it's like turbo boosting what you're already using. So it's really driving it into the skin. And the analogy we like to make is if you're on the treadmill, you get thirsty, you work out your skin, it gets thirsty too.
Yeah.
So it's going to absorb more of the product.
I'll tell you. So talk to me about what I'm seeing here.
So we talked about this earlier, the tech neck, or you know, when we look down, or even from sleeping, we can crease this neck. And there is nothing you can do besides injectables or lasers in office to improve these horizontal neck rhytids or lines. But look at the difference in the depth in just 2 months. And I cannot impress upon you how difficult this is to improve. And it doesn't hurt. And you just treat the whole, and from the mid-chest all the way to the hairline, everything can be treated with one device.
The face, the neck, the décolleté, all of that.
That's right.
All right. Can we pop back up? And then what I'd love for you to do, if you would, Dr. Dendy, is walk me through how I'm going to use it. What's the protocol? How often and what am I going to do?
So what we're going to do is we're going to put the Kinetic Serum on first. Okay. So I have a little bit of makeup on. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not going to use it on my face right now. But I want you to see that there are 3 speeds. So face, mild for the delicate periorbital region, so around the eye, and then stronger for the neck. And you can hear that the motor is a little bit stronger. I'm going to treat with the neck. I just want you to see that it doesn't hurt at all. And what we're going to do is allow it to do 5 pulses, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then change. And that's how you do it. You just march it up along the skin, around the face, around the jaw, in an upward and outward movement. In 5 pulse increments in order to, that's right, just so kind of march it out.
I could start here, and I can do just the various areas of my face. And I will tell you, it just feels like a gentle pulsing. There's nothing that's painful about it. There's nothing that's uncomfortable about it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to move to the next area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so maybe for you, it is that area under the eyes where you're not happy because you see those bags and the signs of aging. Maybe for you, it is that texture of your skin. You're seeing the pores and they're just looking bigger and bigger every day you look in the mirror. This has been such a breakthrough, and it has been so in demand here at QVC. And really, one of the things we're excited to be able to do is bring you the hottest, newest, latest technology and experts like Dr. Dendy to explain to you why this is going to work when you get it at home. So you demanded that this be a today's special value, and it is here tonight. And if you're one of the fortunate people who's had an opportunity to get it and use it, call us. We would love to talk with you. All right, so I'm doing that, and I do that how many times a day?
So only if you're targeting certain areas, say you're doing your 11s or your smile lines, then 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to do a whole face, you can knock it out in 5 minutes.
Wow.
It's really life friendly.
Yeah.
Because what I've found in my office is if it's a 20-minute procedure at home, no one's going to do it. I wouldn't do it. We're busy. We have to, but if you're watching the news, it's almost addictive. I mean, I'll realize that I've watched a whole segment without even thinking how long have I been doing this, because it doesn't hurt, it feels nice, and you look immediately better.
Wonderful. And I don't need to sit in front of a mirror. I can just kind of follow the contours of my face and my neck and target